ever wondered what makes London one of the most visited cities in the world? This city, a spectacular tapestry of culture, history, and buzzing modernity, invites millions to its streets every year. Today we embark on a journey through London's iconic landmarks and its lesser-known, equally enchanting corners. From the historical echoes of the Tower of London to the contemporary pulse of the London Eye, this video promises a deep dive into the best places London has to offer. Join us as we uncover the magic of London, from royal palaces to the vibrant streets of Camden. Imagine standing before the grand residence of the British monarch. Buckingham Palace, with its imposing facade, is not just a home. It's a monumental canvas of history and artistry. The palace's architecture is a feast for the eyes, featuring the famous balcony where the royal family greets the nation during significant events. Constructed in 1735, the palace has undergone numerous transformations, each adding layers of grandeur and tales to its walls. The grandiose design is a splendid example of neoclassical architecture, with its robust columns and intricate reliefs that capture the essence of British dignity and power. One of the most enchanting spectacles here is the changing of the guard. This ceremony is a vibrant display of British military tradition, where the guards, in their iconic red tunics and bearskin hats, perform a precise ritual that has captivated audiences for decades. Buckingham Palace is more than just a residence. It's a symbol of cultural and political history, embodying the spirit of the nation. From the iconic balcony to the meticulously maintained gardens, Buckingham Palace captivates all who visit. Step back in time at one of London's oldest landmarks. Nestled on the north bank of the River Thames, the Tower of London holds nearly a millennium of history within its formidable walls. Originally constructed in the 11th century by William the Conqueror, this historic fortress has evolved from a royal palace to a grim prison, and even a treasure vault. Imagine the secrets whispered along the ancient stones as you explore the grounds where kings and queens once roamed. The tower has been a silent witness to royal intrigues, bloody beheadings, and daring escapes. It's not just the architecture that tells tales, but also the legendary ravens. Legend has it that if the ravens ever leave, the tower and the kingdom will fall. Among the crown jewels of the visit, quite literally, are the crown jewels themselves. Housed here, they dazzle visitors with their opulent display of diamonds, rubies, and the famous Koh-i-Noor diamond. The tower's rich history makes it a cornerstone of any London visit. Now, breathe in the natural beauty of Hyde Park. Spanning over 350 acres right in the heart of London, Hyde Park isn't just a sprawling green oasis. It's a vibrant canvas of history, culture, and recreation. Originally established by Henry VIII in the 16th century, this park has been a haven for free speech and assembly, epitomized by the famous Speaker's Corner. Here, anyone can stand on a soapbox and voice their thoughts to the world, continuing a tradition that has seen the likes of Karl Marx and George Orwell. As you wander further, the Serpentine Lake unfolds before you, a magnificent water body, popular for boating and swimming. It's not just about leisure though. The lake is a hub of activity during the summer months when it hosts open water swimming events. Around you, the paths are lined with statues and fountains, each with a story, each a whisper of the past. Whether you're boating or simply enjoying a leisurely walk, Hyde Park offers a peaceful escape from city life. Prepare to be awed by the treasures within the British Museum. Nestled in the heart of London, this monumental institution is not just a museum, it's a gateway to the ancient world. From the mysterious Rosetta Stone, which unlocked the secrets of Egyptian hieroglyphs, to the majestic Elgin marbles, with their intricate depictions of Greek mythology, each artifact tells a story that spans continents and millennia. The museum's architecture itself is a wonder. The grand entrance, known as the Great Court, features a stunning glass and steel roof that floods the interior with natural light, creating an almost ethereal atmosphere. This space, once the museum's inner courtyard, is now a vibrant hub where the past and present converge. As one wanders through the vast corridors lined with artifacts from every corner of the globe, it becomes clear that the British Museum is more than just a collection of objects. It's a custodian of world heritage, offering a unique lens through which to view the interconnectedness of human cultures. A visit to the British Museum is a journey through the world's shared history. Experience London from new heights on the London Eye. As one of the most popular attractions in the heart of the city, this spectacular Ferris wheel offers more than just a ride. It provides an unforgettable aerial journey over the sprawling urban landscape of London. Imagine yourself encased in one of the 32 high-tech glass capsules, ascending gracefully to a peak of 443 feet above the River Thames. From this vantage point, the panoramic views are simply staggering. Gaze out over the Gothic spires of the Houses of Parliament, the historic contours of the Tower of London, and the modern silhouette of the Shard. Each capsule offers a serene, slow-moving experience, allowing you plenty of time to soak in the cityscape and perhaps snap that perfect photo. The London Eye is not just a daytime adventure. During New Year celebrations, it transforms into a luminous beacon, playing a central role in the city's festivities, with spectacular fireworks displays that illuminate the skyline. The London Eye offers a breathtaking perspective of the city's grandeur. Feel the pulse of London in the lively Covent Garden. Here, the streets buzz with the energy of past and present, a symphony of sights and sounds that captures the essence of the city's vibrant spirit. As you wander through, the air is filled with the melodies of street performers, each corner and courtyard echoing with music and laughter. Step into a world of eclectic shops that line the historic piazza. From unique boutiques to high-end brands, each store offers a treasure trove of goods, inviting you to browse and discover. Not far from these bustling streets, the grandeur of the Royal Opera House stands as a beacon of cultural heritage, its majestic facade a reminder of Covent Garden's storied past. The area's heart, however, is the bustling market. Under its iconic roof, a colourful array of stalls offers everything from handcrafted jewellery to gourmet treats, making it a paradise for shoppers and foodies alike. Covent Garden is the perfect spot to soak in London's dynamic cultural scene. From historic domes to futuristic skyscrapers, London's skyline tells a story of two cities. In the heart of this tale stand two iconic structures, the Shard and St Paul's Cathedral. The Shard, a gleaming spire of glass and steel, pierces the sky at over 1,000 feet, making it one of the tallest buildings in Europe. Designed by the Italian architect Renzo Piano, this modern marvel reflects a cosmopolitan vision, symbolizing London's role in the global economy. Its observation decks offer breathtaking panoramas of the city, merging old with new in one sweeping glance. In contrast, the majestic St Paul's Cathedral, designed by Sir Christopher Wren, epitomizes London's resilient spirit. Surviving the Great Fire of London and the Blitz, its magnificent dome has been an inspiration in the city's skyline for over 300 years. Inside, the Whispering Gallery and intricate frescoes speak volumes of London's rich historical narrative. These structures not only define London's skyline, but also its evolution through the ages. Uncover the artistic soul of London at Tate Modern. Perched grandly on the banks of the River Thames, this former power station has been transformed into one of the world's premier destinations for contemporary art. Within its vast industrial spaces, visitors encounter a dynamic array of works that span all media, from painting and sculpture to video and installation art. The collections at Tate Modern are truly global, featuring pieces from nearly every continent. These works not only highlight the creativity of today's artists, but also engage with pressing issues of our time, making every visit both a visual feast and a thought-provoking experience. The building itself is a masterpiece of architectural reinvention. Its stark, powerful lines and cavernous turbine hall create a dramatic backdrop for the art it houses. This setting not only enhances the viewer's experience, but also reflects Tate Modern's role as a catalyst in the ever-evolving London art scene. Tate Modern challenges and inspires, making it a must-visit for art lovers. As our journey through London comes to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the spectacular sights we've encountered. From the regal Buckingham Palace to the historic Tower of London, and from the serene stretches of Hyde Park to the cutting-edge London Eye, this city beautifully merges its rich history with vibrant modernity. Whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, or simply in love with city life, London has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this virtual tour of London, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel guides. Until next time, keep exploring.